My name is Billie Means. I'm a DDS and an orthodontic specialist. I have my postgraduate degree in orthodontics. And since the two things I like to do were art and science, that was a good combination of the two. You could use your artwork as well as your science. So, perfect fit. One of the biggest problems that I had with your competitors is the fact that when you do a case with them, they send you back all of the clear aligners immediately. But I never liked that concept of sending and getting all the trays out at one time, because there are sometimes problems or complications that you might not have addressed to start with. Tooth may not be moving exactly the way you want it. Tooth may need overcorrection more than you expected it to. And the fact that your company sends several aligners and then they stop, and then if everything's okay, you send the next set of aligners, much better for the treatment. They also will send you one set of what they call zero retainers, and that is to place into the patient's mouth to make sure that those impressions were good. If you put them in the patient's mouth and they don't fit, you know the impressions aren't good. Therefore, they don't make 57 sets, so that that way you know if you've got a problem before they start making all the aligners for you. And if you do, then you can re-impress at that time before you ever even start the case. So that's another nice thing. They send the models, so not having to make extra appointments for a patient, being able to make it immediately so that there's not 2 or 3 weeks downtime, it makes a big difference in the treatment. You have more communication where you can contact your company and actually talk to somebody, where other companies, yeah, that's almost impossible. I've had to use them on my children and my son-in-law and other family members that have all had braces before, but were bad patients and didn't wear their retainers as well as they should have, and have had a little shifting here and there, and we've had to go back in with the clear aligners. Usually if I say they can have it, they're jumping up and down going, yay! So yeah, we don't usually have to sell them on the aligners. If you're getting the same results, why pay the higher price?